What's going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com.
Crystal Sykes, LadySavage.com.
And the three of us, myself, Crystal, little baby Savage in the oven there, and the whole Keto Brick team, the whole crew, the whole compound crew, and everybody here, just want to wish y'all a Merry, Merry Christmas. Hope everybody's got big plans for Christmas. What are our plans for Christmas?
We're going to go down and spend some time with Robert's family.
Yes, that is what we're going to do.
Then we're going to come back and have our own little Christmas, too.
Yeah, we're going to have a little Christmas at our house, and then we're going to have, I guess, other way around, we're going to have a Christmas at my folks' house. We're going to tell my grandparents and my extended family what we have in the cooking here, what the sex
what the gender is, yeah.
Yeah, all that good stuff. So we're excited about that. And then we're going to come back and then have our normal Christmas at the house here. So it's going to be good. Everybody's got different traditions, plans, whatnot for Christmas Day, New Year's, all that good stuff. Every time there's a holiday, Crystal and I always kind of make a video talking about the importance of adhering to your lifestyle, even amidst the holidays and the festivities. Christmas especially, it's like, for whatever reason, it's like an excuse to eat like an ass and just eat way too much.
Wow.
Oops. And I've never got that. Like, same is true with Thanksgiving. For us, it's like we never once deviate from our lifestyle choices to be ketogenic. Crystal makes like ketogenic cookies. We'll have some of those. She made some keto eggnog the other day that was amazing.
So good.
So yeah, I mean, you don't have to break free of your dietary lifestyle to try and fit in amongst your family and friends who do not adhere to a lifestyle. Like, at the end of the day, you know, it shouldn't be about the food on your plate. It should be about the relationships in your life, and you can probably have better relationships with people if you're not feeling terrible as a result of poor nutritional choices. So just wanted to throw that out there. Don't want to sound all doom and gloom, though. At the end of the day, this is all just about being happy, having fun, spending time with people you love, celebrating for the right reasons, and we're excited about it. You got anything else to say?
Nope, just Merry Christmas, and we'll have other videos that come out before the New Year, but Happy New Year as well.
Yeah, Merry Christmas to you, Happy New Year. Thank you all so much. The greatest gift that we could receive as a company is all the love and support that y'all have shown us over the years thus far. So for all of you that watch our content, listen to the podcast, buy and eat the bricks, we thank you, we love you, we wish you a Merry Christmas, and show off my shirt real quick here. Gaines, gotta get festive with the holiday season. I'll be wearing this with the family. So yeah, thanks again, love y'all, and we'll see you in 2022.